Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload audio to Google Drive. Alright guys, first of all, go to your Google Drive application on your phone, and after you have your Google Drive application opened, you can select a folder where you wanna upload your audio to. You can also upload the audio outside the folder, and I'm going to upload the audio outside the folder, so we can just tap on this plus button, then we can click on the upload option. Okay, and select the audio that you want to upload to your Google Drive. You can tap on the audio option, then just wait for a moment until the audio appear on your screen. Okay, wait guys. Okay, and now the audios have been appeared, and I'm gonna go with this audio, so we can tap on the audio, and then the audio will be automatically uploaded to Google Drive. Okay guys, it's still loading. Alright, okay, and now the file is being uploaded. So this is the audio that I have just uploaded to my Google Drive. Alright guys, and that's how we can upload audio to Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.